Hi guys, we're gonna show you how to install the headlight grill. Of course, this is a net, so it's a bit, you can adjust it. It's a handmade, so you adjust it a bit, maybe need some adjustment. Okay. You have this support. Also they are adjustable. You see, so if you put them in, then you can slide them a little bit forward, backward. Okay, and they have these plates in the middle. It should go from the right to the left like this. Okay, and you have a bigger hole, smaller hole. In the smaller hole you have the thread, so you put them always with the bigger hole in front. Now this one, how will you install this? Now I have this tool, it's plastic, but you could use, you put some tape here, for example, if you don't want to take a chance to get scratches. You go in between and you put this one underneath, okay, like this. One, and the other one below, something like this, a bridge. On the bridge, you put the grill, okay, and screw it on. Okay, you see? Okay. Same thing on the other side. The thing about this system is that you don't have extra external plate. You know, there is another type of grill. You have to put a screw here, and they have a bow here, and then underneath, I think it goes underneath here. So they're quite ugly. But this one is very simple. When it's on, you don't see any attachment. It's only these two screws on the side.